All right, let's solve this question together. We are given 4 times 3 raised to x on 2 equals 9 times 2 raised to x on 2. All right, so we have something in common here. Okay, the powers here are equal. Okay, so let's do something to this. Let's group those without powers here. Okay, since we have this and that having the same powers, we can group them on one side and also group 9 and 4 on one side. Okay, so let's divide both sides, whichever way we get the same thing. So let's go this way. Let's divide both sides by 9. So it will be 4 over 9, 3 raised to x on 2, and we have 2 raised to x on 2. Okay, so let's also divide both sides by 3 raised to x on 2. So 4 on 9, the same as 2 raised to x on 2 on 3 raised to x on 2. Okay, now when we're given x raised to n on b raised to n, the powers are equal. So we have x on b all raised to n. So we have 4 on 9, 2 on 3 raised to x on 2. As simple as that. All right, now let's observe the left hand side. Okay, now we have 2 here, we have 3 here. Can we do same to this? Yes. Now 4 is the same as 2 squared, and 9 is the same as 3 squared. So we have 2 on 3 raised x. So we have the powers here like this, so we can bring it out. 2 on 3 all raised to 2 equals 2 on 3 all raised to x on 2. And when we're given a raised to n equals to a raised to c, now the bases are equal, so you can say n equals to c. Okay, now we can also do same here. Okay, so we have 2 equals to x on 2. So over 1 times x, 2 times 2, 4. So the correct answer for this one is 4. Okay, so let's verify our answer. So let's verify. So x equals to 4. Let's plug in 4. So we have 4 times 3 raised to 4 on 2. So we have 4 times. So we have 3 squared. Okay, 4 times 9, which is 36 for the left hand side. Now let's look at the right hand side. 9 times. So we have 2x is 4. So we have 9 times. This side will be 2 squared. 9 times 4, which is 36. Hence correct. All right. Okay.